Hi guys, it's Lindsay. Today's video is going to be my BoxyCharm unboxing for this month, as well as going over the products I got last month. First things first, before I get started, I'm currently staying over at my Nene's. If you've been around my channel for any length of time, you will know that's my grandma, and I love her. So I'm currently spending some time with her and staying over here for the day. Let's get started with the reviews of the products I got last month. First thing I'm not impressed with that I got last month is the Pure Cosmetics Midnight Masquerade palette. I'm impressed with the face colors. So Entertainment I have on as a bronzer, and that's this beautiful like neutral like bronzy blush that I can use as a bronzer. Reveal, this beautiful like reddish berry color I love. I have it on today. I have nothing like it in my collection, and it's making me want to keep this palette in my collection just for this blush because I love it. Then Hidden Secret is the hot pink blush that we have right next to the highlight, and the highlight is called Twilight. I also have that on today. It's a beautiful, like, champagne gold color with a little bit of white mixed in. Perfect highlight for pale people like I am. The eyeshadow side, I'm not impressed with. First of all, you only get one matte in here, and it's the color right next to the blue, and it's called Sneak Peek, which is a beautiful, like, in the pan, it looks pigmented. It looks like it's going to show up as a beautiful pigmented dark brown. I mean, doesn't it? Or am I wrong? It doesn't show up with pigment at all on your eyes. Then, the shimmers in here are really bad. They do not stay on your eyes. If you use a glitter glue, they stay like a little bit better, but it's still not entirely great. I'm really not impressed with this. I've heard really good things about here. I have some of their lashes that I have not tried, but I have heard really good things about their like palettes that they have in their regular collection, and I guess I got my hopes really high because I've heard really good things, but this was extremely disappointing. Oh, and just to add to my complaints with this palette, you get plastic coverings for both the eyeshadow side and the blush side. I don't know where my other one went there. Here we go. They do not stay. They do not stay. They go on the outside of the palette, and you're gonna have eyeshadows and blush mix all in one because these will not stay. Then the second thing that I got in last month's box that I'm really not, I'm slightly impressed with this more than the Pure Cosmetics Eye Face Palette, but in this Kat Von D liquid lipstick in Lolita, I have this currently on my lips. I do not like the formula of these. I like the shade of this. If you're looking for a dupe of this, it's the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink and Amazonian. I do not like the formula of this. They trace very easy. They get really patchy. Disappointment. Spend your money on something else, and if you're wanting a dupe of this, go get the Maybelline one. Third thing I actually don't have with me, it's the Derma A Black Place Face Mask. I'm not really into masking in general, whether it's face, whether it's like body and stuff. I'm just not really interested. I'm not tried a whole lot of masks. I really need to like do a masking May challenge like Lisa Stevens did last year, and I think I might do that. It's where you do like a mask every single night in May, whether it be foot, whether it be body, whether it be face, yeah, you get the gist. Second to last thing that I have is something I'm actually impressed with. We got a full size of this mascara. It's the Cosmetic Superhero Mascara. Here's the brush on it. I love this mascara so much. Ulta is actually giving this away for their Ulta birthday gift. This is the gift you get this year. I love it. It's amazing. It's what I have on my lashes today. I love this mascara. It's totally worth the full size, and I'm glad I have it in my collection. Last thing I'm very impressed with is the Pharmacy Green Clean Cleansing Balm. I love this, and mainly two reasons why I love it. First of all, it removes your makeup very well. Second of all, it smells like ginger, mainly because it has ginger in it. If you do not know, and if you're not familiar with my channel, but if you've been on my channel around my channel for any length of time, you will know that I love the smell of ginger. Okay, the Origins Ginger Souffle Whipped Body Cream is one of my favorite products. I love it, and I love this as well. And I will be repurchasing this once I get through some of my other cleansers and makeup removing products. I love this, and it's totally worth spending the money on this box. BoxyCharm. Real quickly, before we get into any of the products, I'm going to tell you the theme this month is Goal Digger. Like, you set yourself a goal, which is extremely funny and extremely, clever. I love it. So, it's amazing. Yeah. Well, I'll come back to you later, BoxyCharm. What do I want to start out with? I'll start out with the product that I don't think I'll be trying. It's the Cover FX Glitter Drops in the color Nueva, I think. It's these gold infused glitter drops. Oh my god. And it's just glittery. I think I might give this to my cousin, because I know she's a really big fan of glitter, and she is really into makeup. Both of my cousins are. I'm sure she'll love this. I just know my makeup preferences, and I will not use it. Let's talk about the liner. This is the Jante Blue Glittering eyeliner, and it's a regular black shade. I have this on today on my upper lash line. I love it. It's a regular pencil liner. When I first saw the outer packaging of this, I don't know why, but I thought it was gonna be felt tip liquid liner, and you guys know I don't like the liquid liners, except for the Butter London Glazing Eyegloss that I got a couple months back in my BoxyCharm. But I'm really happy this is a pencil. It's a whole lot more easier to apply. You can just go across your upper lash line, and I love it. It looks to be extremely black, and I love it. Let's talk about brushes. You guys know I love brushes. I got a set of, hold on, let me grab them all here. They're a set of 4 different brushes. Some of them I used today. These are from Luxy Beauty. Now, if you're familiar with Luxy Beauty, you know they come it's one of the brands that subscription services like BoxyCharm loves to send you. And I'm actually a big fan of their brushes. Now, I've tried the ones in the rose gold and purple lavender, handles. These ones are gold. And I have to say, They feel a lot rougher, but they also feel like soft. If that makes any sense. Hopefully I'm making some sense to some of you, but I will have to update you on the quality of these brushes, and I will maintain and use them more. I believe this set is called the Luminosity eyebrush set, something like that. And that leads me into my next product, the Bodyography Makeup Brush Cleaner. Yes, we got a brush cleaner. This is actually perfect because it's reminding me I need to go home and clean my brushes because I'm really bad at washing my brushes. Bathing my brushes, washing them, I'm really bad at that. I am excited to have this. Not only have I been wanting to try Bodyography, but this is actually reminding me I need to go wash my brushes. So thank you, BoxyCharm, for reminding me that I need to do something. And I guess we'll end with the eyeshadow palette. This is from Espute, and they make eyeshadow palettes. I've heard a lot about this brand. They kind of like blew up on the internet one day. And I'm very excited that I get to try their eyeshadows. Now, this is what it looks like. I love this color story. You get like a whitish champagne color, which I actually have on my lid. Then you get like a nude peachy color, which would be perfect as a transition down below it. You get this beautiful like corally orange color right next to the glittery like whitish champagne, which I have on today. You get this like beautiful intense hot pink color, which I don't have on today, but I really want to test that color out. You get this beautiful like coppery bronze color. I mean, look at that. That's stunning. Then down below that, you have this beautiful like very, very red color. Reminds me of the blush that came in the Pure Cosmetics palette, just in an extra form, and I actually used that today on the outer corner. And you get like this beautiful terracotta like brown color called Cinnamon. Then you get Primrose, this beautiful like goldy journey. It reminds me of a dirty like gold greeny color. Oh, and fun fact, I'm actually allergic to cinnamon, so yeah. I'm allergic to cinnamon. I know it's weird. The name cinnamon just made me think of the fact that I'm allergic to cinnamon. So I figured I would share it with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. $21 a month for BoxyCharm, and the total, I will add it all up. The glitter drops by Cover Effects are $44. I would not spend the money on them. The Espute palette is $24 from what I tried today. I would spend the money on that. The Luxy Beauty eye brushes are $21 for the set. I'll have to update you on that. The Jonte Blue eyeliner is $5, and the Bodyography brush cleanser is $12. So I will add it all up and put the prices down in the description box, and you do not get a coupon code this month. It just a reminder saying you can upgrade to Boxy Lux, which would be, I guess, over $300 value. So you actually get a reminder that if you want to upgrade, you can. I am very impressed with the service, like I've always said in these BoxyCharm unboxings. I love the service. I quit getting MC because I feel like we're kind of deluxe as samples and it was not worth your money. I quit getting Birchbox for the same reason. My mom is going to quit getting the Walmart Beauty Box, which I'm going to review at a later date for the same reason. She don't feel like it's worth the money. So this is the only subscription service I get now that is beauty related, and I feel like it is completely worth the money. If you are new to makeup and you're wanting a good start to your makeup collection, I recommend subscribing to the service because I love it. I will put the total in the description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you. Bye!